You spinning? August 25th. You're more than 8 months old, boy. Did you drink that whole thing? You knocked it off and look, it stood up. Oh yeah. We got that almost all the way on film. Do that again. Wow. Man, if we got that all the way on film, we could send it into Funniest Home Videos. Maybe we still can. Yeah. He's a big boy, look at you. Say, my name's Jacob Michael Piron, and I can flip cans onto their top. Right side up. Yes, I have that ability. Yeah, do you want it back? Here, try it again. Do it again. That is a talent, I'll tell you. Yepper. You definitely want to make sure you don't get your toe in the top of it. Whee! Go ahead, play some soccer. That's how you play soccer. You kick it. Yeah. Good job. Whee! Whee! Oh yeah, kick it backwards. Is that fun? Are you smiling? Whee! Alright. You run and jump. You like to do a lot of things on that Johnny jump up with the trampoline. See, we got it hooked up to the ceiling in the living room. That's right. Yep. It's been up there for a couple of months now, and it's not coming down until he grows out of it. Yeah, that's fun. Stay in that thing for an hour. All right. What else? Here, let's put this down there. Try that. See if you can get that. Pick it up with your toes like Mommy does, and then get it into your hand. Let's see. Woo! Kicked it. All right, that's enough for now.